So now we will discuss the contents of the carotid triangle. So this carotid triangle, the large blood vessel, venous part in the nerves, maximum number of nerves, the cranial nerve, they passes through the carotid triangle. The external carotid artery, common carotid artery at the level of the C3, C4, the upper border of this thyroid cartilage, it bifurcate and gives the internal and the external. दो branches देती है, external and the internal carotid artery. So the external carotid artery is having 8 branches. We have already discussed external carotid artery की 8 branches होती हैं. Out of 8, the superior thyroid, it lies in the carotid triangle. Posterior to the superior thyroid, this is ascending pharyngeal, it lies medially. Then above it, this is lingual artery. Then facial artery, and posterior to the facial artery, this is occipital artery. So these arteries, they are the contents of the carotid triangle. Internal carotid artery, it's having no branch in the cervical part. Posterior to it, this is the vagus nerve, the 10th cranial nerve, it lies in the carotid triangle. And posterior to the vagus nerve, this is hypoglossal nerve. The hypoglossal nerve, it passes in the carotid triangle, passes over the external carotid artery. It sends 2 branches. One, it moves lower down and the part of the superior root of ansa cervicalis, and the another branch is supplied to the thyroid muscle. This is thyroid, oblique line, thyroid muscle. Another one is the branch of the vagus nerve, that is pharyngeal branch. It gives 2 branches, internal and the external, laryngeal to the larynx. This applies to the larynx. These are the 2 internal and the external laryngeal branch, which is the branches of the vagus nerve. Posterior to it, this one is the spinal accessory nerve. It lies laterally. This vagus nerve, it lies centrally, and posterior to the vagus nerve, this is internal jugular vein. In the internal jugular vein, it receives blood from the facial vein. This is the facial vein. It also receives from the pharyngeal vein. It also receives the jugular vein. Not the jugular, this is the lingual one. The lingual artery and the lingual vein. Pharyngeal and the facial vein, which drains into the internal jugular. These are the bowl-shaped structure. These are the lymph nodes. Superficial and the deep cervical lymph node, they are present. The above, these are the jugulo, this is digastric muscle, jugulo-digastric lymph node, and this one is the omohyoid, this is jugulo-omohyoid lymph node. These are the superficial, number of pairs of superficial and the deep cervical lymph node, they are present, jugulo-digastric and the jugulo-omohyoid lymph node. So these are the contents of the carotid triangle. Large blood vessels, vagus nerve, number of the cranial nerve, as well as the internal jugular vein, and the jugulo-digastric and the jugulo-omohyoid lymph nodes are the contents of carotid triangle. This is all about the triangles, this carotid triangle. Now we will discuss the muscular triangle.